Alright, and welcome back on the channel. So today we are back with a new video. In today's video I'm gonna show you on how to set up HTTP Injector to get a fast and a secure connection, extra protection when you are online. So before using HTTP Injector VPN, make sure to read its terms and conditions so that you don't violate them. So today's guide, we shall focus on the V2Ray settings. The V2Ray settings are super fast and secure as you are online, and the HTTP Injector requires a V2Ray account for it to operate. So before we create an account, the V2Ray account, if you don't have the HTTP Injector app, open Google Play Store, and from there you search for HTTP Injector. So the app is already on Google Play Store. So you search for that. So as we search, please make sure to read your country laws when you are using any VPN so that you don't violate them. And before we proceed, make sure you are installing the right app, HTTP Injector, and then this is how it looks in the inside. So to set it up, you need an account which you are able to create on Chrome or any other search engine. So from here you go and visit Chrome. So from here you search for VPN Advantage. So this site will help us to create the V2Ray account, which will be used to set up the HTTP Injector in order to achieve a fast and secure connection, extra protection when you are online. So when you reach on the website, tap on the menu button, then you opt for free VPN option. Then you click on free V2Ray VMS. So you be patient as the website loads. And you scroll down, then you from here you pick a country where you need your server to be created from. So you can pick from a variety of countries like Saudi Arabia, Singapore, South Korea, Thailand, Turkey, United Arab, Vietnam, and many more. So from the presented, just pick a server near to your location. So you pick a server near to your location and make sure that server is online and it is working, as you can see this one. So we have chosen the India server. So after that, you'll be required, after picking a country or a location where you need to create a server, so you'll be able again to pick a server from that country. So you pick and then you click on create username V2Ray VMS. So the website will load, and then from here you'll be able to enter a username. So you enter any username which will work for you, then verify human verification. And before we proceed, please make sure to read this website's terms and conditions so that you don't violate them. So you complete this puzzle, and after that you'll be able to create your account. Then you click on create user name V2Ray VMS, and you give this website a few seconds for it to generate your account. And please like, share and subscribe on this channel. Also comment in the comment section where you need help or you need improvement. So from here you can see that congratulations, your V2Ray VMS account successfully created. So the account is successfully created. So you scroll down and you pick any of the presented, from like the WS with TLS or the WS with TLS without TLS. So you pick any. So for today's video, let's pick this one, the WS without TLS. like with DLS, and after picking that, you click on copy link, just like that. Then you open HTTP Injector, and from here you tap on this protocol or the tunnel type option. So they will say that select a tunnel here, so you pick V2Ray / X-ray, and then from down here you leave it in direct, and also you click on save. So when you click save, it will be saved, and you must go around and proceed with the settings. So you tap on this gear icon or the setting icon. From here you'll be able to see the V2Ray / X-ray options. Simply tap on that option. It will take you right here where you need to enter the V2Ray account which was successfully created earlier. Remember, the V2Ray account will work along with the app HTTP Injector in order to provide you with the fast and secure connection, extra protection in case you set it accurately as demonstrated in this video. So make sure to tap on this paste button. So tap right here, and when you tap on that, it will say that paste. Then you click on paste. Remember, we recently copied the account details, and the account will be pasted in the app automatically. And here you need to do some changes. Where you see host, you can put here your country working SNI in case the connection doesn't go through. And where you see server, you can also change to your country working. Actually, where you see server port, you can change it to your country working server port. For example, 8080 or 443. And after doing those simple changes or troubleshooting ideas, simply tap on the start button. And in case the connection does not go through, I told you that make sure to change the SNI to your country working SNI. So let me hope I was clear. Then you tap on the start button, and when you tap on the start button, the app will definitely be connected. Let me hope you are seeing that the app is connected, and that's how you set up HTTP Injector with V2Ray settings to get a fast and secure connection, extra protection when you are online.